Motorsports Park. Gonna go for their amped up event and see what that's all about. Hopefully it'll be a really fun time with everybody, and should be able to get to do some ride-alongs and everything, and drifting, drag racing, a couple other things, burnout contests I think. So we'll see what we can get into, and may do some karting and everything too. But got the old Can-Am. Andrew's got his Fox body, and then we got Nick back behind us following us in his S2000, and got his Ariel Atom in the trailer, so he's got 2 vehicles. Then tomorrow we've got another day of autocross for their series race, so we should be able to do and place good in it and lock down our position for the whole thing, I believe. So, and Andrew and Nick is leading their class, but they gotta continue doing good to be able to stay in the lead. So we will get there and have fun and give you an update when I get there. We're going to see what we can get into out here on the track. I don't know exactly what to expect, but maybe we can get into a little trouble or something and have some fun. I don't know what it's all going to be, but hopefully a group of 4 to 6. But we've got my buddies Andrew, Nick, and Tommy. I guess the law is going to be after us. We'll see what happens. I have a feeling out here on the track we're going to be at my top speed limit because of these short tires, but we're going to send it for all we got. So. I'm videoing.
It's a twister tube all over, man.
We're holding it down. Oh my God. How you doing over there?
I don't know.
Oh, this is bad. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well,
I gotta pay.
this ain't good. The tent is destroyed. How you holding up over there?
Better than us.
Yeah, your tent is intact. What?
Yeah, puddle of water.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Soaking wet. Oh no. It did not work out to plan. It didn't make it.
Gates, come over here.
My socks are soaking wet.
You ready?
Is there water in it?
Oh, no.
Oh, they gonna go get them. Well, it come a absolute downpour, and we hunkered down under the tent, trying to keep the cars dry. And I thought it was just going to be a little bit of rain, but it was a monsoon. Dang tornado winds, and crinkled up the old canopy like it was nothing, and held on for dear life because there was a lot of cars there and we didn't want it to fly away and hit somebody. But as we were leaving, I looked over at the trash can and there was plenty other canopies that were busted up and broken that was left. So I guess we got lucky being able to run once out on the track, but definitely got rained out on doing a lot more stuff, the drifting and the sliding, burnout contest and drag racing. So, but it was fun taking the old Can-Am out on the track, a little bit of ripping and sliding. So, yeah, what can you do? So, worked out, headed to go get something to eat and get some dry clothes on, soaking wet. And then tomorrow we got autocross and bag like it's still a go, so we'll do that. Have a good day.